I guess it was kind of fate for me to be in the apprenticeship program. I was trying to go to school to be a programmer, and my aunt gave me a call and said, hey, Focus Hope is having this program. Go down there, go take the test and, you know, see what it is. And went down there, took the test, and was talking to the lady about what programs they had available. And she said, you know, I think that you should look at the industrial design.
About 5 years ago, when the economy was recovering, a lot of the engineering or professional IT jobs had left the state of Michigan. And so the state of Michigan, in collaboration with the U.S. Department of Labor, created something that is called the Professional Apprenticeship Program.
At first, I was like, well, it'd be a nice career, you know, but going into the program and being a part of it, you just start to learn how valuable these skills are. And you're embedded in learning something. It's not necessarily like you're just like, oh, here's the theory of learning blueprints. They teach you how to go out on the floor and machine these parts to the specifications.
The message for students is that apprenticeship is a viable option for them. First of all, it's debt-free, which is always attractive to students and especially parents. And there are not many opportunities, if you really think about a 4-year degree or a 2-year degree, where you can learn and earn simultaneously. And that's the beauty of apprenticeships.
I believe in paying people for the time that they share with me. 70% of the people that we have in our apprenticeship program are making over $50,000 a year already.
So these are 3D printers. This is the one we got to watch the other day, which it just happens not to be printing at this moment, but this is the beast. What I found out about the software is that it actually has the capability to scan an object and then replicate it, and then you can print it. So I know, like, just think about that. Just think about that, like all of your little gadgets and toys, you can scan and fix the model and then print it right back out as a replica. Like, I can't wait to make Tia's superhero everything. Like, they're gonna be like, what superhero is that? And I'm like, Spider Tia? What do you mean? You've never heard of Spider Tia? Okay, so you can tell by the weight of this that this actually isn't hollow. Someone used quite a bit of plastic. Oh wow, this is a nice giant hook, see? As a dentist and learning as a dental student, you can scan somebody's jaw before you go ahead and work on it to see whether or not you have some sort of problems. Now think about 3D printing and prosthetics. Like, just amazing. I mean, like, this industry, I just see it growing.